You want me to throw that, don't you? Maybe. You can drop it. No? Brain defogger. One of those is from yesterday. So this is my third cup here at the shop. Oh my, and I have two at home. Come on. Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. And he says welcome also. Huh, Doug? Yeah? I'm not feeling the ball. Not yet anyway. Hey, good coffee. I'm ready. Hey, today, so we're going to finish welding up the Cougar. We got a couple of things tacked in, nice and straight, exactly where it needs to be. And we're going to finish welding that up. And we'll start working on the 8th. That's what we wanted to see. Looking good, actually. Getting ready to tack weld up that first panel. Weld through primer on first. I also had to respray the backside of this because when I drilled and then I cleared off the burrs, I sanded off some of the silver coating, which is already weld through primer. So there, let's tack it in, buddy. All right, so we are patched in. I'm gonna throw a little bit of filler on a couple little spots. But for the most part, we're gonna clean this up and prime it. And that'll finish this off for now. Still gotta go get some, ow. I still have to go get some color match paint for this. They're not open today, it's Sunday, so I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow morning to get it. Right, dog? She's the best. We got our coffee ready. Oh, we're gonna try it. Oh, yeah. Hey, so the Cougar's looking pretty great. Tomorrow I'm gonna go get some color match paint and we'll do some light sanding on this and then we'll spray it with that color match. See how it looks. They did a great job when I did the Blazer. I'm just gonna go a different route now. So yeah, like the whole thing has to be painted. I'm not just doing touch-up anymore. Seam sealer. So yeah, I got a little tiny bit of filler on there. Really, it's very thin. Just basically to fill in the scratches. Don't worry, I'll sand 97% of that off of there. See, apparently I mixed up way more than I needed. And this is what I'm using. Now, I like Rage products. I have a Rage that's like 97% empty. I like Rage. It's a good product. This was recommended to me by the company where I get my paint. So we're trying it, and you know what? This is the second project I've used it on, and it's pretty good stuff. I mean, it behaves like Rage. They told me it was made by the same company under a generic brand name. I don't know if that's true, but that's what they told me. But even mixed up, it looks like Rage. It sands real easy, doesn't shrink up. It's nice if you have to use filler. It's coming right along. I think it looks really great. I got my last coat of high build primer on it, and now I'll sand it one more time before we mask it off for her final and throw some color on there. Looks pretty great. Oh, it's a vinyl top. All right, so getting ready for a new windshield. Got the whole channel polished out and clean, and the dash has been cleaned. We're just ready for new window mastic in the glass, so just waiting. That's the next step. Primer. Look at that. And it opens up, closes like a normal door. Oh well, hold on a second. Closes like a normal door. It's dirty. This fender's actually wet. This was not on the car. I used this fender to line up the door because this fender over here that they gave us, this is not straight. I mean, you can see bad body work on it. See up here where all the wrinkles are? It's not good body work, man. And if you follow it down along here, there's a big crease in this big panel right here. Where the heck is it? It's kind of dirty. Sorry. Anyway, there's a bend here. It's not really supposed to be there, I don't think. Someone else has done the body work on this. You can tell at the bottom here, this doesn't look so great. Look how bad that is. Can you focus, please? Look at that. That's terrible. I did not do the body work on this or the paint on this fender. I would never allow this. It looks terrible. I'm really stoked. Really stoked how that came out. It looks great. Real happy. We've got a new windshield in there too. Excellent. So I decided to throw the one that they had painted up on the car, and you know what? It lines up fantastic. That's awesome. So that's probably going to be the last video on the Cougar. It's going to go away. I was only supposed to fix a couple things on it. Those things are fixed. We replaced the quarter panel. We fixed the passenger front fender. We fixed the A-pillar. So we're done there. No more Cougar. It's going to go bye-bye then. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye, Cougar. I'm not going to miss it. It's not my car. Anyway, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for following along. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And we're going to get back on the Mustang and the Blazer in the next video. I got more stuff, and I'm just going to keep moving forward. All right, we'll talk to y'all later. Peace.